Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on process of selling. Let's start with the introduction. Apart from the product and sales organization, selling skills, tactics and strategies are also important for the success in selling and sales management. Various activities performed by the salespeople are grouped into non-selling and selling activities. Many steps in the selling process constitute selling activities. Preparation of salesperson, collecting payments, collecting information, traveling, etc. are part of non-selling activities. Now let's look at the process of selling, with the first step being opening the sales call. Sometimes the saying, "the first impression is the last impression," stands to be appropriate. Therefore, a salesperson introduction of himself is very crucial and affects the rest of the proceedings. The main objective is to get closer to the emotions and the wavelength of the prospect, meaning the customer, since this is not just a rapport building stage for present calls, but also for future ones. The product and the company should be introduced with the same spirit. Next, sales proposition. Sales proposition is made on the basis of quality, product, price, delivery package and payment. Two very important functions are performed at this stage by the salesperson. First, the need level of the buyer is understood. And second, the salesperson probes the buyer to discover his inner thought. Probing, a psychological tool, seeks answers to the following questions. First, what is the buyer's real reaction to the sales proposal as compared to his verbal reaction? Second, what does the prospect understand about the market? And third, what are the prospect's attitude towards the competitor's package? In order to succeed in probing, the salesperson himself or herself has to be well informed. Moving to the third stage, presentation. Presentation is crucial in supplementing or strengthening the sales proposal. Details of the proposal are provided by it. Establishing the product and sales package is a main objective of a presentation. This involves studying the competitor's level, the market structure, uniqueness or distinctiveness of the sales proposal. A presentation can be a simple conversation or discussion. Moving further, depending upon the volume of anticipated sale, nature of the product and whether the prospect is an individual or group of executives, presentations can also have completely structured audiovisuals. Group presentations are more elaborate and structured. Explanations are provided to clarify queries or points during a presentation. Whenever applicable or necessary, product demonstrations are provided. The first step towards stimulating a customer is a sales presentation. Next in line, motivating the customer. Two separate actions are called in order to stimulate or motivate a customer. First, customers' objections are managed, and second, an urgency or a climate for sale is created. More information needs to be provided by salesperson about the product, competing brands, etc. in order to manage any resistance to a sale or objection. In more detailed terms, this involves problem-solving skills, a more positive approach, and a persuasive market intelligence backup. In the sales process, this is the most challenging step. The next step, as stated earlier, creating urgency is about helping the customer decide on buying the product immediately. The following two elements constitute urgency. First, the reason for doing business immediately, and second, the reward for doing business immediately. Moving on to the last stage of closing the sale. This is the pinnacle of the sales process. The salesperson finalizes the sale at this stage and receives the commitment of the buyer. The logical conclusion of a sales call must be its closing. The salesperson should be aware of when to strike, that is, close the sale. Timing is very important. Things shouldn't be postponed to the next day. And while closing a sale, every salesperson goes through the majority of these 5 steps. Thus, to conclude, the process of selling entails first, opening the sales call, second, sales proposition, third, presentation, fourth, motivating the customer, and fifth, closing the sale. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on process of selling. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.